So friends, today we will see how we can add two numbers in any Android phone using Microsoft Office Excel, or you can say Microsoft Excel. So to open Excel, first you have to install Excel from Play Store. From here you can install it. Just go to here, right here Excel. Here is the Excel option. Now here is the application. So actually I have already installed it. So there is no option of install, so you have to install it from here. Now just go back and open Excel. I'm gonna open it. Just click on Excel. Now for a new worksheet, you have to click on this icon, this plus icon. So here is the blank workbook. You have to click on it, or you have to tap on it, and just right here, just double tap on it. So right here, first number, and right here second number. Now here total. Give a number here, 45, 56. Now put a number 76, 77, 23, 87. Now right here 55, 88. Now do one thing, just go to here. To add this one, you have to give equal button. Just use this one, equal. Now tap on first number. Now give plus icon. Just tap on plus icon. Here is the plus icon, and then now just tap on second number and just press enter button. Here is the enter button option. You have to just tap on it. Now look, so we have successfully added two number here in Microsoft Excel in Android phone. So do the same, give equal button, equal, tap on second number. Now again tap on plus icon. Click on this one, press enter button. Now again go to here, click on that, give plus. Now here press enter button. Now look, here plus icon, here is enter button. So friends, you can see that we have successfully added two number in Android phone using of Excel, Microsoft Office Excel. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please like this video also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.